Today we will learn how to manage WhatsApp broadcast. First of all, on the home page, click on the bot. Now go to WhatsApp automation. Here you will see that broadcast page has been opened. You have to enter the broadcast name. Click on the continue button after entering the name. Here you can see the broadcast name is entered. Now you have to select the template. Now you can select whom to send. Here you can select you want to send it now or later. If you click on now, the broadcast will be sent, and if you want to send it later, you can click on this button. Here you can select the date from the calendar and select the time slot. Then click on the create broadcast and your broadcast will be created. Here you can see the broadcast details. You can take actions. This is the analytics button for broadcast and this is for deletion. Thank you.